Hi guys, I am Suprabha. In this video, we'll study what is Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrix. Any complex number z is written in this form x plus iy, where x and y are the real values, x is the real part and iy is the imaginary part. To find out the complex conjugate of any complex number, the real part is written as it is and imaginary part is written with its opposite sign. To find out the complex conjugate of any matrix, find out the complex conjugate of each element in that matrix. Suppose this is the example. The real part will be written as it is, imaginary part with its opposite sign. Now, to find out the transpose conjugate of any matrix, we need the conjugate of matrix. Consider the same example. For this example, we have already found out the complex conjugate. After obtaining the complex conjugate, only find out the transpose of that matrix. For transpose, interchange the rows into columns and columns into rows. So this is the transpose conjugate of matrix denoted by A raised to H. Now the Hermitian matrix, any square matrix is called as Hermitian matrix if A is equal to A raised to H, or we can write Aij equal to Agi bar for all the ij values. Consider one example. A is equal to 3 into 3 matrix. Now we need the transpose conjugate, and as we know, for transpose conjugate we need the complex conjugate. So first we'll find out the complex conjugate of this matrix. After complex conjugate, find out the transpose of that matrix. Now, as A is equal to A raised to H, we can say that the given matrix A is Hermitian matrix. 2 points to be noted are, all the diagonal elements of the Hermitian matrix are always real values and the non-diagonal elements may be real or complex values. Next, skew Hermitian matrix. Any square matrix A is called as skew Hermitian matrix if A is equal to minus A raised to H. In short, we can write Aij is equal to minus Agi bar for all ij values. Consider one example. Now, find out the complex conjugate of this matrix first. Now, find out the transpose conjugate. As we need the negative of transpose conjugate, find out the negative. To find out the negative of any matrix, multiply minus sign to all the elements. So we'll get now, as A is equal to minus A raised to H, we can say that the given matrix A is skew Hermitian matrix. 2 points to be noted in skew Hermitian matrix are, all the real part of the diagonal elements are always equal to 0 and the non-diagonal elements can be real or complex values. Now, in Hermitian matrix, the lower part is reflected in the upper part with the opposite signs of the imaginary part, and in skew Hermitian matrix, lower part is reflected in the upper part with the opposite signs of the real part. Hope the concept is clear. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Hope the concept is clear. For any doubts and suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. For more details, you can refer these videos. Guys, help us to help you. So please like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.